9.2 Write a question for each situation. You meet Paul as he's leaving the swimming pool. You ask, "You swim? Have you been swimming?" You have just arrived to meet a friend who is waiting for you. You ask, "You wait long?" You meet a friend in the street. His face and hands are very dirty. You ask, "What do you do?" A friend of yours is now working in shop. Nine point three Rate the situations and complete the sentences. It is raining. The rain started 2 hours ago. It has been raining. 9.4 Put the verb into the present continuous. I am ing or present perfect continuous. I have been ing. 1. Maria has been leaving. Learning. Maria learned English for 2 years. 2. Hello Tom, I look for you. Where have you been? 3. Why you look at me like that? Stop it. 4. Linda is a teacher. She teaches for 10 years. 5. I think about what you said and I have decided to take your advice. Present perfect continuous and simple. I have been doing and I have done. Study this example situation. I have been painting my bedroom. There is paint on Kate's clothes. She has been painting her bedroom. Has been painting is the present perfect continuous. I have painted my bedroom. Her bedroom was green. Now it is yellow. She has painted her bedroom. Has painted is the present perfect simple. Here, the important thing is that something has been finished. Has painted is a complete action. We are interested in the result of this activity, the painted bedroom, not the activity itself. B. Compare these examples. My hands are very dirty. I have been repairing my bike. My bike is okay again now. I have repaired it. Joe has been eating too much recently. He should eat less. Somebody has eaten all the chocolate. The box is empty. It is nice to see you again. What have you been doing since we last met? C. We use a continuous to say how long for something that is still happening. We use the simple to say how much, how many, or how many times. How long have you been reading that book? How much of that book have you read? Lisa is writing emails. She has been writing emails all morning. Lisa is writing emails. She has sent lots of emails this morning. They have been playing tennis since 2 o'clock. They have played tennis 3 times this week. D. Some words, for example, know, like, believe, are not normally using the continuous. I have known about the problems for a long time. How long have you had that camera? For a list of 3 each verbs, exercise 10.1. Read the situation and complete the sentences. Use the verbs in brackets. 1. Tom started reading the book 2 hours ago. He's still reading it and now he's on page 53. He has been reading for 2 hours. He has read 53 pages so far. 2. (10.2) For each situation, ask a question using the word in brackets. 1. You have a friend who is learning Arabic. You ask, how long? Learn Arabic. How long have you been learning Arabic? 2. You have just arrived with a friend. She is waiting for you. You ask, wait long have. 3. You see somebody fishing by the river. You ask, catch any fish? 4. (10.3) Put the verb into the more suitable form. Present, perfect, simple, I have done, or continuous, I have been doing. 1. Where have you been? Have you been playing? You play tennis. 2. Look. Somebody played that window. 3. You look tired. You work hard. 4. You ever work in a factory? No, never. 4. You ever work in a factory? No, never. 5. Liz is away on holiday. Is she? Where is she go? 6. My brother is an actor. He appeared in several films. 7. Sorry I'm late. That's alright. How long have you been? Study this example situation. Dan and Jenny are married. They got married exactly 20 years ago. So today is their 20th wedding anniversary. They have been married for 20 years. We say they are married. But how long have you been married? We use the present perfect to talk about something that began in the past and still continues now. Compare the present and the present perfect. Paul is in hospital, but he has been in hospital since Monday. He has been. Not Paul is in hospital since Monday. B. I have known, had, lived, etc. is the present perfect simple. I have been learning, been waiting, been doing is the present perfect continuous. When we ask or say how long, the continuous is more usual.